Hi guys, welcome to my channel Saran Style. In this video, we are going to see eye makeup hacks. The first hack we are going to see is eyebrow hack. For that, I am using this NY Bay Brooklyn Bridge Eyebrow Pencil in the shade brown and black. This is how the shades looks like. This shades looks very natural and easy to blend. NY Bay is one of the best affordable makeup products. Eyebrow plays a major role in eye makeup. I will show how easily you can do your eyebrow without spending much time. Step 1. Draw a line on the border of your eyebrow. Draw as thick as you wanted your eyebrow to be. This NY Bay eyebrow pencil glides very smoothly and does not smudge. Now the borderline of my eyebrow is done. Then I am using this NY Bay Brooklyn Bridge Eyebrow Pencil in the shade black to fill in the gaps in my eyebrows. Don't fill it very dark because it looks very bad, so fill it very lightly and slowly. After filling the eyebrow, use a spoolie to comb the eyebrow because it looks very natural after combing the eyebrow. It also helps in the product to blend into the eyebrow and make it look natural. See how difference it makes before and after. Eyebrow plays a major role in makeup. I have filled my both the eyebrows by using the same method. Second hack is eyeliner hack. For that I am using Shakti by NY Bay liquid eyeliner in the shade Tango 2, Cha 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 1, Jazz 3. Just black, blue and green. This is how the eyeliner swatches looks like. It looks very beautiful and long lasting. Highly pigmented and smudge resistant. Use a tail comb to draw a thin small wing eyeliner without struggling. Apply the eyeliner you want on the tail of the comb. Then place it in the corner of your eye as a small wing. After placing it, drag it a little bit so that it comes in a shape of a wing. Now join the wing to the inner corner. Drag it slowly and steadily so that you will not make any mistakes. Now you can see how easy it's to draw a wing eyeliner. You can use a card to draw a thick wing eyeliner. Apply the liquid eyeliner in the edge of the card. After applying, place it in the corner of your eye in the shape of V. Once the V is done, fill the gaps with the liquid eyeliner. After filling it, join the V to the inner corner. See how easy it is to draw a thick wing eyeliner? Definitely try these hacks and let me know in the comment section. Next, I'm going to use this blue eyeliner as a kajal. Draw a line using a liquid eyeliner under the waterline. See how beautiful it looks? It looks like I have used a blue kajal under my eyes. If your mascara is over and you're wondering how to apply mascara, don't worry. You can use the eyeliner as your mascara. I'm using this Shakti by NY Bay liquid eyeliner in the shade black. Apply the eyeliner on the old mascara wand or a spoolie brush like this. After applying the eyeliner on the brush, apply it on your lashes. See how beautiful it looks? It looks like I have applied a mascara. Now let's see how to draw a double shade wing eyeliner. It's very simple. Take any other color of a eyeliner. Draw a line above the wing you have already drawn, as close as possible without having any gaps. See how easy it is to draw a double shade wing eyeliner. Definitely try this on your own. It looks very beautiful. Next, we are going to see eyeshadow hack. I'll show you guys how to apply the eyeshadow using the fingers. For that, I'm going to use this NY Bay Blink-In eyeshadow in the shade Queen 7 and Carnegie Hall 23. This is how the shades looks like. Pick two shades in the finger, one lighter shade and another dark shade. Place the lighter shade in the inner corner of your eyes using a finger. Then place the dark shade on the outer corner of your eyes. Blend both the shades with the finger. This NY Bay eyeshadows are quite pigmented and very smooth to apply. Blend it until it looks very natural. This is how the eyeshadow looks. I'm gonna repeat the same step on my another eye. To highlight the inner corner, I'm using this NY Bay Blink-In eyeshadow Queen 7 on the inner corner of my eyes. Then blending it with the clean finger to look it smooth. Again, I'm using the outer corner shade to make it look little bit dark. This is how the eyeshadow looks. Next is Kajal hack. For this, I'm using the NY Bay The Big Apple of My Eye Kohl in the shade black and white. This is how the swatches looks like. Highly pigmented and long lasting. Drawing a line on my upper lid using a kajal as a liner. Draw it slowly and a thin line on the upper lid. After drawing a line, use a flat eyeshadow brush to blend the kajal on your upper lid. By doing this method, you will get a smoky eyeliner effect. Repeating the same process on my another eye. Also applying the kajal on my under eye and smudging it out. The final hack. If you don't have any highlighter to highlight the brow bone, you can use a white kajal to highlight it. Apply the white kajal on your brow bone and blend it very well. Blending it, you can see that your brow bone has been highlighted. This is how the final eye makeup look looks like after using those eye makeup hacks. So if you like this hacks, don't forget to use it on your own and comment down, did you find it useful? I hope you guys liked this eye makeup hacks and found it useful. Thanks for watching my video guys. We'll meet you guys in next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.